Let's start by adding a background. Give it a color. Here are some images I'll be using. Position the main image in the frame. Now add a welcome text. Give it a suitable color and reduce its opacity to 0%. Now to animate the second image. Move it inside the frame, but keep it out of the view. Do the same for the third image. Keep it out of the view. Now duplicate the frame. Fill the frame with the background color. And give animation a path by placing the images in view. Just bring the images in view. Don't forget to increase the opacity of the text. Time to prototype. Apply Smart Animate with Ease Out effect of 1000 milliseconds. Works like a charm. Like and subscribe for more.